Today I'm going to show you how to make these original bowling invitations. Materials: brush, 2 pieces of A4 card, scissors, sticky pen, permanent adhesive spray, blue glitter, red glitter, 1 envelope of 125 by 175 millimeters, newspaper. First, customize the invitation, changing the text to your liking and print it out at home. Then, cut it out. Now, with the glue stick, glue the designs of the invitation so they look attractive on both sides, but be careful. Leave one side of the pin unglued to create a pocket for the ball. Go over the invitation with the scissors to leave it free of imperfections. Apply glue spray on the ball, and then we sprinkle with blue glitter. Let it dry overnight. Using the sticky pen, we are going to trace 2 lines on the red lines of the bowling ball on the unwritten side. And then, we sprinkle red glitter on the bowling pin. And let it dry overnight. Now, we can enter the invitation in the pocket, see? Ready to put them in their envelopes. So cute! Now it's your turn.